Hello everyone. The project is the AI mental health therapist chatbot. So in this project, we create the chatbot about the mental health therapist. So you will have installed these two library: import random, import matplotlib. Import random is a inbuilt library which will generate the pseudo random number and performing the randomized operation, and second one is used for the visualization. So it's working. Now I have print some statement: print AI mental health therapist chatbot, and second one is the type exit to end the chat. So it give the output. The next one is the mood score. I have taken the MD score. You can take anything. Mood is, it means mood score equal. I show you the using the parenthesis blank, and count equals 0. First it count the mood score, then fill it. Now next is the response. How is the response? So this is the RESP is a variable equal parenthesis. There I am using the dictionary, and this is, you can say that these are the column send, and this is the column values set, where I pass the I am really sorry you are feeling sad. If you are interested you can talk. It's happened sometime when you feel sad. These are all the columns name. You can say sad, happy, stress, angry, and I pass these values. Anxious, anxiety, and default I pass the I am listening, tell me more, that important to go, and then print the response. So if we run, so it show all these. Now next one is using the loop. So hit the loop while true. If the value is true, then user input, this is the variable name, equal input, and u dot lower. If user want to write anything, it use the lowercase, and count plus equal 1, and count value increase plus 1, and md score mood score dot append, and mood score append is add in count. The next one is the if user account equal exit. So it print chatbot take care, then terminate the loop. If it not write the exit, then again else if sad in user account user input, or depress in user account. So we pass the value, print random dot choice, then variable name sad, this is the column, and then again it md dot score dot append to the, now the value is plus 1, there is a 1, then value is equal, value is 2. Same thing is the happy, the value increase 3, then 4, stress angry is a 5, anxious is a 6, and last it print the default, print chatbot random dot choice, then variable is a default. So if we run, so there I give any values. First I am giving happy, all are the small letter, then again I am giving the sad. Now third one is the exit. So what is the output? So it give the output, it's great to hear, what made you happy, Then second, I have given the sorry, sad. I am really sorry you are feeling sad. If you are interested, you can talk. And last is the default value is the take care. Now, according to this two values, now we visualize. So print generate mood. So this is the visualize after these two value happy and sad. uh, Print generate mood visualization is a then plt dot md score marker equal, it is not a zero, it is a o. So marker is a matplotlib library operation. So it mainly used to specify the article or as a circle or shape, any shape. So this is not a zero, this is the o. It specify the circle. Now plt dot title is a mood tracker during chat and x level conversation step, and plt dot y level mood score 1 to 10 it is present, and plt dot grid and plt dot show, and last is a take care. So mood tracking, first the mood is a happy, so 1 to 10. So it give the value is 3 point something is a happy mood, then it down because second time I have given the sad. So this is the chart about the happy and sad, and last it give the take care. So this is the chatbot about the mental health therapist. Thank you.